Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing another Halloween look, which is going to be a Jason Voorhees look. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this and how it's done, then keep watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get on with it. So firstly, I'm going to be taking a white face paint. So you can always glue your brows down, but yeah, whatever. So you want to fill in the whole section of your face where the mask would be sitting with white. Don't worry too much around the eyes because we're going to be making little hollows there. I tend to paint over my piercings when I'm doing a look, just because there's so many of them and I can't be bothered taking every single one of them out. You also want to make sure you paint over your lips. And then just go back in anywhere that looks a little splotchy. Although that won't matter too much because we are going to be making this look a bit weathered anyway. You do want to make sure the edges are very white though. So for the straps, we're just going to take a black paint and angled brush. Now you want to fill in your eye sockets. So I'm just taking the black again on the same brush. Okay, so I don't know where my silver face paint is, so I'm just going to use white again. Grab that. And on these here, just put dots. And we're just going to do tiny little dots in the center of those white ones. Nice and easy, just a tiny little black dot. Check that your face is dry. Mine's dry enough, so I'm going to use some white powder foundation to set this face a bit. This is the BYS Special Effects, and I'm using one of my favorite sponges from Born Pretty store. There's a discount code in my description box if you're interested. That discount code will get you 10% off of your order from Born Pretty. Alright, so I'm taking a fluffy angled brush and I'm going to be using the Cheeky Bits nudish eyeshadow for this, and just go around the edges. This is just to make it look a little bit more weathered. and add some more dimension to it. Shading around the sides of my face. Grabbing the matte black, setting over the eyes, because otherwise you'll end up with cracks like that. Also suggest taking that black and just putting around underneath the eyes a bit, and then taking the white. So we need 3 going down this way.